Choosing a driving school in Orangeville? Well, it's about a lot more than just getting a license, isn't it? It's really about preparing for everything this area can throw at you, from busy downtown streets to icy country roads. So today we're going to break down how to find the kind of training that creates a safe, confident driver for life.
This is the real question, right? I mean, it's so easy to get laser focused on just passing the road test. But the true goal, the one that really matters, is building skills that are going to keep a driver safe long after that examiner gets out of the car.
And that's the heart of the challenge right there. Driving in Orangeville isn't just one thing. One minute you're carefully navigating a packed downtown street, and literally the next minute you could be on a high-speed highway or a winding country road. Your training has to prepare you for all of it, sometimes in the span of a single drive. So let's dig into that. What exactly makes driving here so demanding? Well, it's this unique mix of conditions that a generic, check-the-box training program just can't really cover.
Think about a typical drive around here. You've got all the pedestrians and the stop-and-go traffic on Broadway. Then, boom, you're merging onto Highway 10 or 9, where the speed just jumps way up. And then you add in those winding rural roads with hidden driveways, busy school zones, and of course, our wonderfully unpredictable Ontario winters. A new driver has to master all of these, and that's a tall order.
So, to figure out which school truly prepares a driver for this reality, we can't just look at the price tag. Nope. We need a solid, objective checklist that focuses on the quality of the entire learning system.
Okay, so here's what actually matters. Is it a government-approved BDE course? Of course, that's the absolute baseline. But does the curriculum go deep on defensive driving? Or the in-car lessons actually building skills one on top of the other? And here's the real kicker, is there any kind of support for all that practice you have to do between the lessons? We're digging for real value here, not just the cheapest option.
So, when we take that checklist and hold it up against the schools here in Orangeville, one name just consistently rises to the top. Let's get into why Young Drivers of Canada really stands out from the crowd.
Their approach, plain and simple, provides the most complete system for building a skilled and confident driver who's actually ready for Orangeville's unique challenges. And this quote pretty much says it all. It reveals their core philosophy. See, it's not just about passing a test, it's about preparing learners for the reality of driving, no matter what situation they find themselves in.
But what does gold standard actually mean for the student behind the wheel? Well, it means building proactive habits. Things like constantly scanning for hazards, managing the space around your car, and this is a big one, learning to anticipate what other totally unpredictable drivers might do next. These are the skills that actually prevent collisions.
But here's what might just be the single biggest difference maker. It's how they solve a problem that most families don't even realize they have. It's called the practice gap.
The practice gap. You know what this is. It's that all-too-common situation where a new driver gets their hours in, but it's just by driving the same easy loop around the neighborhood, over and over again. They might avoid highways, or driving at night, or bad weather. So even though they're getting the hours, the practice isn't actually building the skills they need the most.
So, Young Drivers addresses this problem head-on. They've built an entire system designed to make every single practice drive intentional and progressive, making sure that time behind the wheel translates directly into real skill and real confidence.
And their main solution is the Driver's Coach app. This is a powerful tool that gives both the student and the parent a clear plan. It actually tells you what skills to practice next, it tracks your progress, and it helps turn those supervised drives into structured, guided lessons. It's a game changer. Okay, so you see the value in this kind of systematic approach. That's great. Now let's get practical. Let's look at a direct comparison and the exact steps you can take to get started.
So, looking at the options side by side, you can see that while they're all MTO approved, the core focus is really different. Ultimate Drivers offers a more traditional program, and DriveWise includes simulation. But look, Young Drivers is the only one that stands out with its dedicated system and tool, that Driver's Coach app, to close that critical practice gap.
And let's talk about the cost. The starting price for the complete MTO-approved course with a live instructor at Young Drivers in Orangeville is just under $1,400. And that transparency is really key when you're trying to compare true value.
And you can choose the level of support you need, which is great. The core course covers all the essentials. You can then add a road test package, which takes a lot of stress out of test day. Or, for a more nervous learner, the Premier Bundle offers extra in-car practice. There really is an option for different needs and budgets.
So, the action plan is super straightforward. First, just confirm your G1 eligibility.
Then, pick the package that makes sense for you and book your lessons early. And crucially, download that app and start planning your practice drives to cover everything from quiet streets right up to the area around the Drive Test Center on 4th Avenue.
So, at the end of the day, the most crucial point is this. It's not about just logging hours. It's about the quality of those hours. Purposeful, structured practice. That's what forges the defensive driving habits that will keep a driver safe for decades to come.
So the final question you have to ask yourself is this. Are you simply buying lessons to pass a test, or are you investing in a system that builds safe habits for a lifetime? Because here in Orangeville, that choice really does make all the difference.